Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you about English Progressive Class 3, Unit number 3, Lesson 4, and it's on page number 22. Now open your book, page number 22. Okay, look at this picture. The question is look at the picture of the which kitchen. Write questions and answers about it. Use table to help you. First of all, look at this picture. It's a which kitchen. You can look here different products like sugar, flour, salt, oil, milk, eggs, etc. etc. And here you have given some questions. Like question number 1 is how much sugar is there? First of all look at this picture. इस पिक्चर में आपने देख के बताना है कि कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स या कौन सी चीज कितनी अमाउंट में है. लाइक अगर वो ज़्यादा है तो आपने क्या लिखना है? अ लॉट ऑफ शुगर. अगर शुगर ज़्यादा है तो आपने क्या लिखना है? अ लॉट ऑफ शुगर. अगर शुगर कम है तो आपने क्या लिखना है? अ लिटिल शुगर. ओके. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज हाउ मच शुगर इज देयर? टेल मी हाउ मच शुगर. यस, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ शुगर. Okay, the question number 2 is how much flour is there? Look at this picture and tell me how much flour is there. Yes, there is a lot of flour. The question number 3 is how much salt is there? Again look at this picture and tell me how much salt. A lot of. Yes, there is a little salt. Question number 4 is how much cat's milk is there? Tell me how much. There is a little cat's milk. Okay, you can look here, cat's milk in a jug. So there is a little cat's milk. The question number 5 is how much hair oil is there? There is a little hair oil. Question number 6 is how many parrots eggs are there? And there are 6 eggs. Okay, how many eggs? There are 6 eggs. The question number 7 is how many sheep tails are there? Sheep tails you have given in a pan. So there are 2 sheep tails are there. Now question number 8 is how many snakes are there? Count the snakes and tell me. Yes, there are 3 snakes. Question number 9 is how many frogs are there? Yes, there are 4 frogs are there. The question number 10 is, and the last question is, how many spiders are there? Look at this picture, count the spiders and tell me how many spiders? Yes, there are 3 spiders are there. Now move on exercise B. And exercise B is write 10 sentences using these words. The words you have already given: packet, bag, jar, jug, bottle, pan, bowl, hand, box, and the last one is plate. So make sentences. Packet. The salt is in a packet. The next word is bag. This is a bag. The next sentence is, the next word is jar. The sugar is in a jar. You can make another sentences. It's on up to you. The next one is bottle. The oil is in a bottle. Pan. The sheep tails are in a pan. Bowl. The eggs are in a bowl. Hand. The spiders are in her hand. Box. The frog are in a box. Plate. The snakes are in a plate. You can make another sentences instead of this. Okay, now we have completed this lesson. Lesson number 4. Exercise C is your homework. Do exercise C on your notebook. Hope so you have fully enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.